Hello and thanks for joining me. This is a quick update on how I'm getting on with the new tyres and the new brake pads on my Triumph Scrambler 1200. If you follow this channel, you'll know that I fitted some new tyres on the bike about 3 weeks ago. I fitted the Conti Trail Attack 3s. And I've now done about 500 miles on these tyres, and I have to say that I'm absolutely delighted with them. These 500 miles have been done on cold, wet roads. So, for example, at the moment it's about 3 degrees above freezing, and as you can see, the roads are wet and there's a lot of grit on the roads. Yet these tyres are extremely sure-footed, they've got great hold, and they're really confidence-inspiring. I think they've really increased my confidence of throwing the bike around and pushing it a little bit harder. So I'm delighted with them. Also, with the stock tyres that the bike came with, I had the same problem that many people have encountered, and that was a slow loss of pressure in the front tyre. Well, that's gone away now since I fitted these new tyres. No problems with loss of pressure in the tyres. Another problem I had with the stock tyres was that they were tracking very poorly on rough roads. You've probably seen, if you watch my videos, many of the road surfaces around where I live are just really bad, and the front tyre just seemed to track any unevenness in the road in a way that was often very disconcerting. If you've had it happen to you, you know what it's like. It feels like your front wheel bearings have gone. Anyway, it's now absolutely fine. Really transformed the handling of the bike. So again, I'd just say absolutely delighted with these Conti Trail Attack 3s. I think it was a really good move, getting rid of the stock tyres and fitting these on. It's really improving the riding experience for me and massively increasing my confidence of riding the bike, particularly on these wet roads. So yeah, absolutely delighted with these tyres, and you know, everybody else I've spoken to, or you know, other videos I've seen on YouTube, people fitted them, everybody said that they're great tyres. So yeah, big thumbs up from me. The second little bit of the update I wanted to give you was on the new brake pads that I fitted. So I posted a video about a week ago which I serviced the front brakes on the Scrambler, and I fitted EBC HH rated sintered pads. Now, if you've seen that video, I made the comment that the reason I was changing the pads was I'd fitted the same pads on my Harley Davidson, and it had really dramatically transformed the braking performance on my Harley Davidson. But that was many years ago that I changed the pads, maybe about 8 years ago that I changed the EBC pads on the Harley. And after taking the Triumph out with the new pads, I really had forgotten how dramatically it improved the braking performance. Now obviously the brakes on this Scrambler are good, they're very good quality brakes, but the transformation of fitting these new pads in has really quite shocked me. I'm now having to go just a little bit gingerly on the brakes because I'm so much used to having to pull harder on the brakes. Now I just need to tickle the brake lever and the bike comes flying to a stop. So I am really glad that I made this change in the brake pads. That was a very good move. So that's it, folks, really, just for today. That was just a quick update on how I'm getting on with these changes I've made to the bike. So absolutely delighted with the new tyres, the Conti Trail Attack 3s, and absolutely delighted with the new brake pads, which is the EBC HH rated sintered pads. As I've mentioned, there's videos on both of those on my channel. I'll put a link at the end of this, you can look them up. So hope you found that update useful. If you have one of these bikes and you're thinking of maybe changing your tyres or getting new brake pads, just trying to share my experience with people. Thanks very much for watching. Hopefully see you again next time. Bye.